welcome to Add More Zest. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147. Happy Fansells Friday to you all. So I have a few goodies to share with you that Fansells were kind enough to send me, and we'll start off with these gorgeous little stickers because these look like they'll be so much fun as an activity. Trying to work out how they work. Okay, so we have underneath it is like they're like foil stickers, but they do have sticky on some of them, of course, so that you can pop the diamonds down. It's only sticky where it needs to be, but we have 6 on this sheet. How fun are these? And 6 on this sheet, and they are different. I don't think there's any that are the same. No, we've got similar, but we've not got the same. We do get a toolkit. It does come with some instructions. Mostly buy the partial drill kits for kids. Time-consuming kits could be tiring for kids. Do not let your child sit for more than an hour diamond painting. It could cause them neck or back pain. Arrange a table and chair for your kids where they can sit comfortably. Watch over the little kids so that they don't swallow the diamonds. Give them LED light pad for better vision. You don't want to put extra stress on their eyes. Oh, I don't think a light pad would work with these because they're not see-through, but they are adorable. They all come with the bigger rhinestones. I'm not sure how they would work with the pen, but they are faceted, so they should do. But look at the colours of these. So we've got blue, yellow, pink, orange, green, purple and silver. I think that would, I know a few kids who would love to do that as an activity. So as soon as I saw those and how cute they were, it was like, it's got to be done. I'm just going to pop them back in here, but if I put them in that way, I can probably keep them still visible so we know what they are when I do a recap at the end, but aren't they fun? Okay, on to adult diamond paintings, or maybe still kiddie ones. I can't remember what I ordered. This one, probably more adult. Oh yes, I remember this one. I did order this one time before, but I don't think I sent the link through properly. So I popped it on the list again. This one is a special, but I just thought it was a gorgeous image. Really, really posh. Slightly posh. But it is a special, and it is only a partial. Oh, just throw my scissors down. It's down as a 30 by 30, but it's actually 24 by 24 inside the box. It does come with a set of plastic tweezers with this one. Let's have a look at the colours in this. Really nice. So we have rhinestones. They're all numbered and then they do have different symbols. But we have silver, orange, not a bright orange, more of a muted orange, turquoise, black, green, a few different pinks, and then some more vivid blues and greens. We also have a couple of special diamonds in this one. You get those in there. So the specialer diamonds-ish, special-ish, we have a little blue one. I can actually only see one place that goes, so we get a few extras. And then we have some iridescent orange / pink rhinestones, nice couple of different tones of colours in that way, depending on which the light's shining. And they go round the perfume bottle. So nice extra little bit of sparkle on that one. Me likes. And then the last one for today is a little bit bigger. Let's have a look. Ooh, the canvas is folded just a little bit, but it is poured glue, so it will flatten out. Now, they do have all different months of these ones. There was lots of different ones available, all showing different months and different things. But this one really attracted me because I just thought it looked gorgeous. So it's January with hot cocoa. It's down as a 40 by 40. But the actual canvas size is just under 35 by just under 35. I'm trying to see, so you do get quite a lot of white on it. You could possibly put it in a 30 by 30 frame, but I think you would lose a little bit of this edge, of this detailing. If you can find a frame that's a little bit bigger, maybe 32 or 33 by 33, you've still got the scope for popping it in, which is what? Yeah, if you can find it more 12 inches than 30 centimetres, or is it different each way? Oh no, the higher up you go, it needs to be more of a 13-inch frame, because it's a little bit taller than it is wider. But it's a lot of white. I know, I keep picking ones with a lot of whites, but I think it's the blues, and the thought of sitting there with a cup of hot chocolate. Must have been a cold evening when I ordered it. But these are your colours. So got pinks and greys and blues, of course, lots of blues and some reds. Run through them all. We do have the MC numbers on here. There are no 310. There is no 310. Oh no, is no 310. But there is a lot of 3865. We actually have 6 bags of that. So if you don't like the big blocks of colour, then this might not be the picture for you, but I don't mind a big block of colour. Quite often I will do all the way around the outside, and I'll do the bulk of the white first, and then I'll go in adding all the colour. It depends. Sometimes I do it in blocks, and by doing it in a block, I think you will end up with colour in each section that you do. So thank you so much to Fansells for sending me these. But we have hot cocoa, we have perfume and flowers, and then we have some absolutely adorable stickers. I will pop the links to everything down below, of course. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.